Alright guys, doing a follow-up here on the Honda HS80 snowblower. If you haven't seen the previous video on it, you can go back and watch it. The drive belt was shot. And so took it all apart, the whole front nose off it, put a new drive belt on. While I had it open, I put a new auger belt on as well. New tubes in the tires, tuned up, and she's ready for winter. She's ready to go. See if she'll fire up for me now. Helps to put the switch on. Gonna hold the auger handle. I'll try to get the camera over here somehow. So she's working perfect, and going into gear nice and easy, no problem. She's running good. What's really nice about this is it has the electric start. It's got the pull start, of course, but it has the electric start here, which is a 110. You plug extension cord into the bottom, and she starts. That motor spins fast, and she'll start for you in coldest of weather. So that's ready to roll. She's ready to go. It's a well-built machine, I must say. I'm pretty impressed with it. All steel, no plastic. Not sure of the year of it. If I find it, I'll post it. But most Hondas I've worked on were pretty well-built machines, I must say. The auger's in excellent shape. So all I needed was those two belts and a tune-up, and she's ready to go. So next project's going to be the leaf blowers, which actually should have been first. Got the big one there and the smaller one over there. But they just need a tune-up, just a new plug and clean the carburetor. They'll be ready to go, no problem at all. And anticipating any trouble with them at all. So as the seasons move on, we have to move on with them and switch gears from the lawn mowers to the other equipment, and that's what we're doing here. So any questions, feel free to ask, guys. Book them, Daniel.